So the world of indoor environmental quality, healthier indoor air, monitoring, sensor, and cleaning for health has clearly changed forever. Welcome to the Mandalay Bay Hotel at the ISSA Show North America, where we've recently finished up a whirlwind tour around research and innovation as it relates to health and wellness in the built environment. I actually presented a paper, you can see the schedule at a glance here, and gave a keynote on healthy indoor spaces and that paradigm shift of how healthier indoor environments are connected to cleaning and facilities management, and we're now cleaning for health rather than just for appearance. And that paradigm shift, which started with the pandemic, has now changed the way the public and strategic HR managers see cleaning has changed forever. So where did this trip start? Well, it actually started with Professor Mark Hernandez and meeting his team and the cutting edge research he's doing, both within his research facility and some of his scientists there, but also some fascinating work he's doing out in the field, looking at managing indoor environmental quality, sensor technology, and the impact that that's going to have on health and wellness, particularly in children in the school setting. We then had the opportunity to present Dr. Gráinne Cunniffe research at the American College of Asthma, Allergy and Immunology. There we had a chance to catch up with Tamina O'Brien, one of our clients, and talk about how she's seeing the changes and attitudes of healthcare professionals as it relates to the indoor environment and air cleaning technology. And as the certification program footprint is always growing in the US, it was fantastic to catch up here at a professional meeting with Renegade Brands, one of our detergent certification clients as well. And that was a nice link to meet with Rabbit Air at a medical meeting, and then to meet with another client, Renegade Brands, at a business meeting. Then we were able to come up here to the Mandalay Bay Hotel, and if you just look around this trade show now, it's absolutely clear that facilities management organizations have embraced the fact that cleaning is for health and wellness, and the amount of chemicals we bring into the indoor environment, our SOPs and protocols, is going to revolutionize people actually look at how we clean and maintain the indoor environment. So that wraps up a whirlwind tour. We looked at meeting key opinion leaders and researchers, presenting data at the American College meeting, and also then coming to a professional meeting here and seeing that bridge between academic research, how we're cleaning buildings, and ultimately how that's impacting on people's health.